On the business scene, stakeholders in the manufacturing sector have been tasked to take advantage of the many opportunities available in the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement signed by President Muhammadu Buhari in July 7, 2019. Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment Niyi Adebayo gave this charge during the opening ceremony of the 5th Nigerian Manufacturing and Equipment Exhibition held in Lagos. The AFCFTA, which aims to unite 1.3 billion people in the African continent, also aims at creating a $3.4 trillion economic bloc that could usher into a new era of development, among other benefits. The minister said that going by the strategic position of Nigeria in terms of population where consumer goods sell fast, all stakeholders must employ strategic devices to mitigate the risks of turning Nigeria to a dumping ground by other countries.
It now has to redefine and challenge itself to partner with the public sector to ensure that we reap the immense benefits that await our economy and our people in these changing times. We acknowledge that the private sector holds much of the capital and expertise required to realize this vision. And we believe that MAN, being one of the nation's foremost organized private sector groups in the country, is primed to take a lead in this regard.
Minister of State for Science and Technology, Barrister Muhammad Abdullahi, urged the manufacturing industry to utilize artificial intelligence (AI) in the sector to reduce operational costs, increase efficiency to ensure quality products and services that can compete all over the world.
I wish to place on record the present administration of Muhammadu Buhari has taken a number of positive and bold steps to demonstrate its commitment to the development and application of STI as a veritable tool for development by launching 6 policies to fast-track the pace of socio-economic growth and diversification initiative.
In his welcome address, President Manufacturers Association of Nigeria MAN, Engineer Mansour Ahmed, said the exposition is to create a platform where stakeholders in the raw material supply chain will connect, synergize, and trade available raw materials and resources to users. He, however, lamented that the vision of an industrialized Nigeria would remain an illusion if the epileptic power supply is not resolved, as manufacturers cannot achieve competitiveness with the current state of electricity supply.
Ahead of the implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area Agreement, which will open our manufacturing sector to a much larger market, Nigerian manufacturers have to adopt the use not only of technologies but also of marketing strategies that will ensure the rightful place for Nigerian manufacturing sector in the continental market.
Representative of Afrexim Bank, Remi Nwachukwu, in a paper titled 2020, A Decade for Africa, said the bank is ready to provide credit to industries in Nigeria so as to build capacity. The theme of the 2020 exposition is the 4th Industrial Revolution and Nigeria's manufacturing sector. And finally, on the business scene, Miller Kyari, Group Managing Director, GMD of the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation, NNPC, on Wednesday today, painted a gloomy picture of tougher times ahead for the Nigerian economy on the back of latest development in the global oil market, which has seen markets tumble amid fear of a potential global recession. Speaking at the ongoing consultative roundtable with the Central Bank Governor, Godwin Emefiele, themed Going for Growth, holding in Abuja, Kyari alluded to the ravaging impact of coronavirus and ongoing oil price war, and both in oil prices and consumption. The roundtable comes a few days after what has been acclaimed as Black Monday, when oil prices took a sharp drop in a way that has not been seen in decades. There were over 12 stranded LNG cargoes globally, which had never happened because of the gross collapse in the oil demand associated potentially and significantly with the coronavirus. It said liquid crude is also badly hit, noting that today Nigeria has some 50 cargoes of crude that have not found landing. Today, the best of our production is about $15 to $17 per barrel. Kyari also raised concerns on the inability of Nigeria's financial sector to be able to fund big-ticket transactions in the oil sector. And that'll be all on the business scene.